How do you know if your fridge is out of gas? Have you ever heard someone say, "My fridge needs gas"? Most people think refrigerator gas works like car fuel, that it runs out over time. But the truth is very different. In this video, I'll explain how to know if your fridge is really out of gas, the warning signs to watch for, and whether it's worth repairing or replacing your refrigerator. The question is really mean? First, let's clear the confusion. In appliance repair, gas means refrigerant, often called Freon. It's the cooling chemical that circulates inside sealed coils and removes heat from your fridge. Important point: right finger refrigerant does not wear out. Right finger or refrigerator is a sealed system. So if your fridge is low on gas, it means there is a leak. The question is, what happens when a fridge is low on gas? When refrigerant is low, the fridge can't remove heat properly. You'll usually notice this pattern. Food starts warming slowly, the freezer may still cool a little at first, the compressor runs longer and longer. As the leak gets worse, both the fridge and freezer stop cooling properly. Can a fridge actually run out of gas? Technically, no. Under normal conditions, refrigerator gas should last 10 to 20 years, or the full life of the appliance. If gas is low, it's always because of a punctured coil, corrosion, a failing sealed system joint. 5 warning signs your fridge is low on gas. Keycap 1: compressor runs all the time. If the motor never shuts off, the fridge is struggling to reach temperature, a classic sign of low refrigerant. Keycap 2: freezer cold, fridge warm, cooling starts in the freezer. When gas is low, there's just enough cooling for the freezer, but not enough for the fridge section. Frozen ice cream but warm milk? Keycap 3: oily or greasy residue, refrigerant carries oil. If you see oily marks on back coils, tubing, floor under the fridge, that often means a refrigerant leak. Keycap 4: strange chemical smell. Most modern gases are nearly odorless. But older refrigerants can smell slightly chemical or ether-like. A strong unusual smell near the back of the fridge is a serious warning sign. Keycap 5: back of the fridge is extremely hot, some heat is normal. But if the compressor or coils are burning hot, it means the system is under stress, often due to low gas or poor heat transfer. The question is a fridge gas leak dangerous? In most homes, a small leak is not life-threatening because the gas amount is very small. But it can still cause headaches or dizziness if inhaled, food spoilage due to unsafe temperatures, fire risk in modern fridges using R600A, which is flammable. Safety always comes first. Should you try to add gas yourself? Absolutely no. Refrigerant handling is regulated in many countries, including the US. Opening a sealed system without certification is illegal and dangerous. A proper repair includes finding the leak, repairing it, vacuuming the system, recharging with the exact factory amount by weight. Guessing and adding gas makes things worse. The question is, how much does a fridge gas refill cost? Typical costs: $150 to $300 for refrigerant recharge, up to $1,000 if sealed system repairs are needed. For older or budget fridges, replacement is often more economical. Final advice: refrigerator gas never goes bad. If your fridge is out of gas, it means something is leaking or failing. Watch for constant compressor running, poor cooling, oily residue, excessive heat. If you suspect a gas issue, call a professional early, before the compressor burns out.